Venus has the distinction of being the hottest planet in the solar system, and that fault lies solely on its atmosphere. But what is it about the air on Venus that keeps the planet cooking? The atmosphere of Venus is made up almost completely of carbon dioxide. It also includes small doses of nitrogen and clouds of sulfuric acid. Although Venus and Earth are similar in size, someone standing on the ground on Venus would experience air about 90 times heavier than Earth's atmosphere. Pressures are similar to diving 3,000 feet beneath the ocean. The most Earth-like atmosphere in the solar system occurs 30 to 40 miles, which is 50 to 60 kilometers above the surface of Venus. Both oxygen and hydrogen rise above the heavier gas layer covering the ground, and the pressure are similar to our planet, which goes on to my next point. There could be life on Venus, and here is the reason why. High in the toxic atmosphere of Venus, astronomers on Earth have discovered signs of what might be life. If the discovery is confirmed by additional telescope observations and future space missions, it could turn the gaze of scientists towards one of the brightest objects in the night sky, Venus, roasts at temperatures of hundreds of degrees and is cloaked by clouds that contain droplets of corrosive sulfuric acid. Few have focused on the rocky planet as a habitat for something to live at. The astronomers who reported the finding on Monday in a pair of papers have not collected specimens of Venusian microbes, nor have they snapped any pictures of them, but with powerful telescopes they have detected a chemical which is called phosphine, sorry if my pronunciation is wrong, in the thick Venus atmosphere. After much analysis, the scientists assert that something now alive is the only explanation for the chemical source. So basically what that means is a living microbe has created phosphine. Some researchers do question this hypothesis, as they suggest instead that the gas could result from unexplained atmospheric or geological processes on a planet that remains very mysterious. The reason why it remains really mysterious is because it's hard to analyse a planet with such a thick atmosphere, because you can't analyse the surface because our telescopes won't be able to penetrate the atmosphere. And the only rover that we sent there didn't really last long, it burnt up with how hot the planet. Nevertheless, the finding will also encourage some planetary scientists to ask whether humanity has overlooked a planet that may have once been more Earth-like than any other world in our solar system. On Earth, phosphine, yet again I'm sorry if the pronunciation is wrong, I've never heard of this chemical to be honest, which is a colourful gas that smells like garlic or a decaying fish, is naturally produced mainly by certain microorganisms in the absence of oxygen. It can also be released in small amounts from the breakdown of organic matter or industrially synthesized in chemical plants. Organic matter basically is a sign of life, and microorganisms is also life, which is hypothesized which could be on Venus because obviously it's created by microorganisms, so that's why scientists are saying it could be life on the planet. Experts from the UK, however, have found signs of phosphine sorry if I pronounce that wrong again, I can't say words, in Venus's atmosphere, suggesting the planet will support unknown chemical processes or even life. The second closest planet to the Sun, Venus, is inhospitable, with a surface temperature of around 867 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 364 degrees Celsius. And like I mentioned before, pressure 90 times that of Earth, so if you were on there, you would get crushed. However, its upper cloud deck, 33 to 38 miles above the surface, is around 50 degrees Celsius, which there are certain types of life which can survive temperatures that high, which obviously on the planet, because of how high it is in the sky, it has a pressure equal to that at Earth sea level. Clouds are also highly acidic, meaning that the phosphine would be broken down very quickly and must therefore be being continually replenished. The researchers have cautioned, however, that life is only possible explanation for the source of the phosphine, with further investigation needed. NASA is presently considering 2 missions to Venus that propose to study the planet's atmosphere and geochemistry. So, thank you for watching that video. It's a very different video from what I normally do. I just found this news quite fascinating, I ain't gonna lie, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make a video on it. If you enjoyed, make sure to go check out some other space videos which were released around 5 years ago. And make sure to subscribe because, you know, if you like this video, I might do more of it. I don't know, I might do more of it. So, I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.